Everybody knows the public Melanie Mitro, smart, beautiful, perfectly poised, all that boring stuff. But what they want to know is what she's like on the inside. What's the top coach really like? And the answer was right in front of me all along.
I don't know where you're going with this, Michael, but this better be good. Besides, we got nothing else, so please do something.
Hey, wait, I've got a video of Topher wakeboarding I can show. What information?
No. Look, I've got it. Hey, guys, can you roll the video back to Landon at about the 6-minute mark and play it again?
She's a hot mess. She's a hot mess. She's a hot mess.
She's a hot mess. Now, see, that is something that I can build a show around.
A hot mess?
Yes, it's the perfect storyline. Everybody thinks she's a superwoman. All those amazing achievements. She looks like she does it without even sweating. But in reality, she is just like every other wife and mom, just trying to hold it together. She's a hot mess. Aren't you, Melanie? You are one hot mess. And you know what? She doesn't know it. When we were filming that, Matt let me use the upstairs bathroom in their house. You should see what's going on up there. I mean, there were toys scattered in the hallway, laundry piled up everywhere. It was scary. But you know, it was real life. Now, see, real life. Now, that is something that I can build a musical number around.
Well, wait a minute. I get what you're saying, but I'm not going to let you celebrate